pages on the pages on the pages on the
So, it's officially about to be a real one's birthday. Check out this backdrop though. I was trying to find pink, but let me zoom in, cause y'all. So hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just rolling this on my face. Y'all see those nails though? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I ain't polished this head because I don't stay still at all. I love this. And then this. So I am back. So like I said, it's officially about to be a real one's birthday. Like, give her 8 days. Give her 8 days. So I'm gonna do a look today. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today, but I know I want to do a look today. I gotta think, because I can do a red lip with his hair. So I've been giving myself some content by doing my nails for my birthday. I did my sewing. I'll have that link down below. I'll have the link for my nails down below too. Even though I kind of had cheated this full set, but it's still cute. And I just got to do this here. And I did do my feet, but my feet is white, all white. That's it. I'm so freaking tired of being in the house. Like, you know. It's not even the fact of being in the house, it's the fact that you know you can't go anywhere because everywhere is closed. I'm supposed to be finding some music. Like I got battery to waste. I still didn't order my
breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
I need to order 4 more rechargeable batteries. Because she said before don't work and then you can't recharge other batteries. I didn't use these lashes today, they're so cute. So yeah. You already know the products that I will be using today. I use them all the time. I need to get me a new fresh. What I do with that top? Did I have a top with it? I promise you. Cause we can give it 24. And all I need is 24 hours. You probably waiting for. I have a top to that and I don't know where it's at. But it's okay for right now. Oh yeah. It's quite like it. It's not I think after I do my makeup video, I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes, the ones I've been using. So, cause I just be needing some content. Got you. I was at Target the other day and I almost bought me some brow tips. I want to tip my brows and see. So I'm just going to do my brows real quick. So that one died too. So now we back to this one. And hopefully we can just finish this look without it playing any games. Because we're not here for them games. We're just trying to do this makeup look. Okay? Oh, my legs. I don't have time to be playing with you right now. Don't have any time to be playing. Come on, Jesus. Not gonna lie, I love my lashes super like long like this. Oh crap. Find myself, find yourself, find yourself. Bitches and hoes. So many bitches in the hood. let's get into this highlighter because I do not need this to die. If I came into your house in the first place, you were hurt like in the worst way. Every weekend. Every weekend turned into every evening. Left me out and left me in the deep end. Keep spinning and then I had to leave you. Well, I couldn't be the one to hurt you. I thought you was my friend, so it was worth it. Let's get to this contour. Your baby wrong. Where's my contour? Because I do not want you to die. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna finish powder contour and I'm gonna do my blush, my highlight, and set my face and finish my nose and put my red lipstick on, and I will be back because I need some juice on my phone. I mean, on my batteries before they die. So just give me a couple minutes. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Y'all see this face now? Do y'all see this face? Honestly, I did not put any blush on, and I literally just contoured the hot spots, and then I'll put a little bronzer on top of it with a smudge of highlighter. So I just took that thing off my head. I just had to do a makeup look today. Yesterday I did my nails. Today I'm doing makeup. Tomorrow I would do, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow I can do a makeup in here. Well, I need to put some shine on here. Tomorrow I can do makeup in here. The day after that, probably just because my hair obviously gonna be done. I need the lady's baby here. Like, I don't need to be all frizzy. I wasn't nervous. This is like hard because it's super long and I'm super short. I'm sitting down. So yeah, I love this look. I do my makeup in like a week, maybe 2. I've been doing like natural things. You see these brows though. See what I'm gonna do to this head. Now, I'm going to show y'all that I need y'all up here so I can see you. Can see me. You guys can see me. But also put y'all where my backdrop is. Alright, so let me move y'all over because it ain't no point in me having a new backdrop and then y'all see everything else. Bless me. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. So, the way I did my sewing is I left my perimeter out right. Y'all know the perimeter. So I'm thinking about pulling all of this. Y'all can't even see me. I need something to make y'all even higher. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Without pulling, I'm gonna pull all this up like this and wear it like this. Don't y'all like that? Ain't that cute? So I need to leave my baby ears. I need to take this side too. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look. I just need to do these Rudies. That don't belong right there. No sure it's super small. If y'all want to see me how I did this sewing, I will put that link down below. If you want to see me how I did my nails, the link is going to be down below. Yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I love this look. I'm getting a little countdown for my birthday, and I'm just like feeling it. Like at least my nails and my hair and my makeup, and just be like, oh, it's your birthday for real. But then when you go outside, it's like we all shut down for real. So no. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the notification button because I got more videos to come. So yes, I hope y'all enjoy. See y'all in my next video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.